Hello guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to post on LinkedIn. So for this you have to go first on your LinkedIn account. After that, you can see this is a post option here. So just click on it and you can write whatever you want to post. After writing, you can add or attach any type of photos or videos. You can uh, go for any kind of uh, events, create events, and you can create poll, attach any document, and you can uh, attach any kind of emoticons from here. After that, when you are done with this, you can just click on post. So guys, this is how you can post on LinkedIn. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.